Hi there. Oh my God. We went to go swimming because it was so dang hot. And then a severe thunderstorm popped up, and now it's 72 degrees. Earlier, it was 96 degrees, and the heat index was like 106. And we were in this heat advisory. Now there's multiple hazards in effect. We went to go swimming, and all of a sudden the sky got dark and the wind started blowing, and it started pouring rain. Flash flood warning, severe thunderstorm watch, heat advisory still until tomorrow night. So we're all in the car, me and a bunch of my grandkids, and oh my God, that was like unbelievable. Let me show you the map. Okay, so we're right in here, and this is where the heat warning is, and this is where the heat watch is. But right in here in southeastern Wisconsin is where all this crazy stuff has been going on. It looks like there's some more over here and over here also. But oh, and look at this in Hawaii. Let me show you on the radar. See, this is what just happened to we ran into. Let's look on the big map, and I'll loop it. This is National Weather Service. Yep, that we ran we ran into that. And it's like you could see all of a sudden the trees in a row, one and then the next one, then the next one. The wind blew and there were branches falling off, and we're driving down the road. Okay, this is in telecast, and I just want to say that this totally contradicts the video I made yesterday about the radar drying out the area, but this is only a small portion of the area where the heat is hitting. Let's see what it looks like in the past hour. This is a tornado possible. This is hail. Now, really, for the temperature to drop 20 degrees in like uh, 10 minutes is unbelievable. Let's see if we can watch it move here. Let's take this part off and just watch this move. Come on, you can do it. It's just coming along. Now, what it looked like was just this gray line that didn't look like anything because earlier in the day it had rained. Let me get a little closer to this radar. Look at that, how it curves in like that, right about where the radar is. The radar is. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. And I didn't mean to go out that far either. Looks like a wild animal just growing. And why did it do that? I don't know. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go to someplace else. Well, as long as I'm here, I'm going to just look at the earthquakes. Oh, look at that. So we got 4.7 in Bayside, California. Right there. That's intriguing. These look large, but they're not as large. Not that it's not cause concern. That one was 6.0 that happened yesterday. Okay, so that's that. And there we are in my little area. Oh, I just wanted to show you this weather change, this temperature change. 86, but that's a big temperature change just a little while ago. Now it's 8:23 in the evening, but earlier today it was in the 90s, and as you can see over here, it's in the 90s, and now to be in the 70s is just really a huge difference. Okay, so this is the College of DuPage radar map, and as you can see, this is an unusually, it, it, actually all these areas are like large radar, which seems to me, once again, to be controlling the weather in its own way so that it's blocked right in here. But as you can see over here is right what hit us. It's go on the next rad sites over here. That's what we just drove through. Let's watch it move again on here. Okay, we were up like in this area just before it hit. Okay, so I want to go on the storm relative mean also just to see what that looks like. There it is, and we could see that darkness, but earlier in the day it had rained just a little and it was no big deal. And then zoom, and it was more than we expected, that's for sure. And it looks like it's got little frog eyes that are looking at us. Let's stop that. I'm going to go backwards now. Look at that strange purple right there. It kind of looks like eyes. Okay. Okay, now this is the visible loop. All right. I want you to notice something because we noticed it earlier in the day. Let's see. Let me stop it right there. See that line? We were like, look at that. It was like a chemtrail right above our head, and we noticed that. And this is like something developing out here, and you can also see these weird lines right there. Let's just move it ahead a little at a time. To me, this is a lot of chemtrails right down here, which affects the water vapor, and there it's just triggered this huge thing to happen. And we were, so there's all these chemtrails. We were right about in here as this thing, this marshmallow was coming. And it was unbelievable the way the trees looked, just unbelievable. So, what's that? Look at that. That's interesting. There, and there, and there, and there. Huh. Very interesting. So is that. But now it's getting dark, so this doesn't show up very well. Here's another picture of what hit us. Let's see what happens when I play it. Yep. We were thinking about waiting it out. We went to Whitewater State Park because it's so beautiful there. It's really a pretty place to go swimming. But I'm glad we didn't wait it out. Okay, look at this spot right there. That something is coming in there or going out of there. See that whole area? That is weird. That's totally weird. Oddly enough, this is the direction of the wind. It's going northeast. That's also very odd, considering that the storm is moving south. So here's a picture of the beach we were going to go to, taken by Aaron Carlson. Really nice beach. Not very many people. It's nice and shallow right in here, so it's safe for children. Bathrooms are over in this area. It's just fantastic. And here's another picture of the beach taken by Traveler John, from a little bit different angle. It's the Kettle Moraine State Forest, just absolutely beautiful.